In this video, I'll talk about Unit 2, Chapter 1 of Algebra 2, which covers the transformations of quadratic equations. If you're new here, my name is QC, and I'm making a series reviewing all of Algebra 2 units from Unit 1 to 11. Alright, so starting off, we have the standard vertex form of a quadratic, where f of x equals a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k, where your vertex will be at h comma k. And your axis of symmetry will also be at x equals h. Alright, so to start off, we have reflect the parent function f of x across the x-axis and rewrite as g of x. First off, let's just write our g of x. So reflecting across the x-axis. Like it said before, that is when a is negative. So right now, x squared, that a is technically equal to 1, but we don't see it. So it's technically 1x squared. Now, just to make it negative, we just put a negative out in front. So negative, I'm not going to write the 1, negative x squared. That's all we need to do. Alright, now we have reflect the function h of x up here across the y-axis and rewrite as b of x. So starting off, let's just get our b of x out in front here. And we have our h of x equation is equal to x minus 2 squared. So if we want to reflect across the y-axis, we want to do it inside the parentheses instead of outside. Because if we went negative x minus 2 squared, all it would do would just flip the graph. It would look like that. However, if we do negative x minus 2 squared, that is when it actually reflects it. So then it would look like this. So anything with the y-axis with reflections, it's inside the parentheses. If it's the x-axis, it is outside the parentheses. So b of x can be written as x, negative x, minus 2 squared. And that's it. Lastly, let's talk about something that's pretty difficult, horizontal shrinks and stretches. So say you take this parent function f of x, which is equal to x squared. If we wanted to horizontally stretch that, we would write it as f of x equals 3 times x squared. But this is not right. So to get rid of this 3, we would want to divide all of this by 3, which is equal to multiplying by a third. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. And then you do the same thing inside the parentheses. So we get 1/3 x squared. Make sure this is all inside the parentheses. And the reason this is a stretch is because think of it like x squared. This is just a normal parabola. However, 1/3 x, it widens it from the origin. So you can basically think of it as if it's less than 1, then it takes it away from the y-axis, because you can see here it's wider, so it stretches it. However, if we wanted a horizontal stretch, we could go, I'm just going to keep writing it as f of x. We go 1/3 x squared. This is supposed to be on the outside, sorry. And to get rid of this, we would multiply by 3. So then, times 3, we would get 3x squared. Now this would tighten up the parabola, which shrinks it horizontally, which is this way. As always, if you liked the video, please subscribe. I will be linking the Unit 1 video right here. And this video is the first part of a 4-part series covering Unit 2. I will be posting Chapter 2 pretty soon. See ya.